All right, Ramaya. So, we have talked about budgeting, right? When we go to buy our snacks, our chips, our candy. We have talked about how to count our change, right?
Yeah.
After you pay for something, you want to know if you're getting the right amount of money back, right?
Right.
We have talked about your balance, how to balance out your food to make sure you're getting the right amount of nutrients, right?
Yeah.
Next thing we're going to be discussing is how to read the nutrition facts label on anything that you drink, anything that you eat, okay?
Okay.
So, the chips that we buy at Dollar General on Tuesdays and Thursdays, those all have little labels on the side. I actually thought I had a bag, but I guess I did not. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna practice going through each one, and we're gonna see how many calories are in each different types of food we talked about today, okay?
Okay.
All right, number one, we're gonna be talking about rice. And as always, start with your name and date on the paper, please. Nope, this one. Okay, each one is gonna be asking us a rough estimate, about 6 questions each, okay? So it'll be 6 for rice, 6 for water, and 6 going on and so forth, okay? Thank you. All right, first up, we're gonna be talking about rice. So, to go through each one, we're gonna read the questions first, and then we'll go back through and try and find our answer, okay? How many calories are in one serving of rice? So, for the first one, we're gonna be looking for what? And we practice using our little underline method, right? We're gonna be looking for calories. And I should have done that in the sentence and not in the box. So the first one, we're looking for calories. Read number 2 for me.
Okay. How many grams of sugar are in one serving of rice?
Okay, so for this one, what is our key word?
Grams?
Okay, grams. Grams of what?
Sugar.
Grams of sugar, exactly. So we're gonna be looking for how many calories are in each bag of rice, and then we're gonna be looking for how many grams of sugar are in each bag of rice, right?
Right.
Number 3.
Read it.
Yep.
How many grams of fat are in one serving of rice?
So what's something that's important here?
Grams of fat.
Grams of fat, exactly. Number 4.
How many grams of protein are in one serving of rice?
Okay, what's important here?
Grams of protein.
Grams of protein, exactly. Number 5.
How much is one serving of rice?
So, this one's asking for 1 serving of rice, right?
Yeah.
Captain Tamar.
They're calling for you. Go for Miss Martin.
Martin, can you come up top?
Copy in or out. Got it? Okay. Number 5. Oh, we did number 5. Number 6.
Practice measuring one serving of rice.
Practice measuring 1 serving of rice. So, all of our answers are going to be found where, do you think? In our label, right?
Yeah.
We're going to start with one at a time. Let's start with number 1. We're looking for calories. How many calories are in 1 serving of rice? Up top.
Okay.
There's only one place you can get them from, right? All your answers. And you just said, we're gonna get them all from our label, right?
Yeah.
So that tells you there's no other place you can get your answers from except right here.
Yeah.
Okay? So we're looking for calories in one serving of rice.
Here, this one.
Nope, it's stick with your gut.
Okay.
160, exactly. So there are 160 calories in one serving of rice. Always trust yourself. Be confident in your answers, okay? Because you know where they're coming from. They're coming right here on this one label. We're talking about one thing, just rice. All of our answers right here, okay? All right, number 2. How many grams of sugar are in one serving of rice? Go through each category. There you go. You already know you used calories, right? So you know that number is not going to apply here. You're looking for grams of sugar. There you go. What's it say?
0 grams.
0 grams. Good job.
All it's put is 0 G.
There you go. Number 3. You want to read it for me?
Yes, sir. How many grams of fat are in one serving of rice?
Okay. So, we're looking for grams of fat, right?
Yeah.
All of our answers are coming from the same place. And if it helps you, we can do one paper up top and one down low. Because we already did total sugars, right? We haven't done protein, though, correct?
No.
Okay, so we got to keep that one in mind, too. But we have done total sugars, right? Good. And we've done calories. So, you've limited your answer choices, right? You limit them down from so many options to only a few?
Yeah.
Good. We're looking for grams of fat. What does it say?
Trans fat, 0 grams.
Not trans fat. That's close, though. So, what kinds of fats are involved with rice?
Saturated.
Saturated, trans, and what else?
Sodium.
Nope, not sodium. We're not looking at anything else. We're only looking at fats, right? Only looking at fats. Total fat. So how many grams of fats are in one serving? Just one serving.
This one?
Yep.
1 gram.
1 gram. Good job.
Sorry.
Okay. You're doing a great job, Ramaya. We got 2 more questions. Or 3 more questions. 3 more. We talked about total fat and we talked about calories, right?
Yeah.
So that means that we are almost done with our answer choices. The only one we didn't talk about was protein.
Yeah.
Okay. How many grams of protein are in one serving of rice? They're looking for the grams of protein. And where was that one located? at the bottom. And what does it say?
6 grams.
6 grams. Good job. How much is one serving of rice? This is talking about one serving of rice. Now this one's gonna be a little bit tricky, but we're gonna work through it together, okay?
Okay.
We did our proteins, right? Did we do our sugars? Did we do our fats?
Yeah.
Where was our fats? Did we do calories?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so that means we are right here, right? We got cholesterol, sodium, and total carbohydrates left, right?
Yeah.
We're looking for one serving of rice. Our serving size, where is it located? Up there, right?
Yeah.
What's it say?
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup dry. That's one serving size, right?
Yeah.
So, number 5, when it's asking for how much is one serving size or one serving of rice, what's our answer going to be?
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. There you go. Good job. Practice measuring one serving of rice. One serving of rice. Just one. And we just did it. Yep, we just did it. Look at your previous questions if you need to. Run the last one. Practice measuring one serving of rice. Mr. Reyes, please plug in your headphones, please. You just did it, Ramaya. Go back and look at your previous questions. That's talking about the one serving, right? The one serving. That's what it's talking about, right?
Yeah.
It's talking about your serving. So you know already right off the rip, you're not looking at anything else but your serving size, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's it say in the serving information? Talk to me. 1/4 cup dry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to our question. What does it say? Practice measuring one serving of rice, right?
Yeah.
So one serving would be what?
1/4 cup.
There you go, 1/4 cup. And write that in.
Write it in the box.
Yep, in the box.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Mr. Reyes, have a seat, please.